Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What we're going to have a look at is a dual battery system running two batteries, a large inverter, and also most likely a DC to DC charger, solar regulator, some fuses, all that stuff in a nice little tiny hole. It's the inverter. So 200 amps, so 400 amps. Battery shunt. Circuit breaker, that'll be part of the shunt as well. RCDs, fuses, DC to DC charger, Anderson plug, and solar regulator. Now this was on the side of a motorhome when we went to the Motorhome Expo, and one of the reasons I like looking at this is because a lot of vehicles such as my own all have dual battery systems that run inverters and 240 volt power in the back of the van. So it's just yet another example. This is more of a traditional type example, as we've done the other one which had the LiPo batteries. This one's a little bit bigger, you'll see in the inverter, and it's a little bit bigger also on the batteries. But as you see, this is more of a traditional type installation.